It is a Diamond FM, always on top of the game, and we are now in the Diaspora Connect, and you've just got to love it, and you gotta make sure that you do not touch that down. So today we are privileged. Hey, I'm excited to be talking to my guy Lino Piloto. He is locked on all the way from Washington DC. He's in the USA. That's for the Zimfest, and we just want to find out. Say, I know I have made you wait for me, Lino. What time is it right now?
1:30.
1:30 a.m. And we appreciate and we love you so much for waiting for us.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you managed to get hold of me and to connect with the people of Mutare, Zimbabwe, and all over the world. I really appreciate it.
So Lino Piloto is representing us as Manicaland. He's also representing Zimbabwe. He went for the Zimfest, and we know him. Manicaland, also being a founder of the Twai group. So as we just want to find out from you, first of all, congratulations on this beautiful initiative. And how do you feel, or how did you feel when you were told you're going to be part of the Zimfest 2025?
Well, firstly, I would like to thank the Nswai Arts guys who have been there and supportive of the idea of Nswai. Because if it was not of them, I was not going to be here. Now, invitation when it came to apply for the festival, it's not a baby's play to apply for that festival and be accepted. After being accepted, and then you go through all the nitty-gritties of getting the visa and everything. Everything went well and smoothly until I was like, I think it's out and I'm ready to rock and roll. And there I am, selected being part of the Zimfest 2025. And I was like,
wow,
this is a global stage.
I know, right?
You know, all the way from the dusty roads of Area 12, Dangamvura, Mutare, going to that stage, you know, it's long overdue. And I think, you know, I feel so much humbled to be this kind of a person to raise the flag of Mutare to this level. Yeah.
And we are very proud of you. You know, when we just get to think about it, you homegrown talent, and you are doing the most. Mashikaku Festival, what was like the the response from the audience to your Mbira sessions? Were there like outstanding moments that you remember?
Right. You know, being there and being my first time, I made sure that I'm well equipped with everything that I want to present to them. And beforehand, I was inspired by Tendai Mparosa, who told me that, hey, look here, my young man, when you're coming here, make sure you're going to make that mark that Nzo always does when they perform.
All right.
So when I was doing my workshops, you know, the way I was connecting them, you know, you could see how the eyes were glowing into the expression that I was doing, I'm telling you, and really getting, and all my classes were fully booked.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And to the extent that I was given an extra class to be held on the last day of the festival, you see. So it shows with the really people were really excited to be with me, and because of my CV, see what I mean?
Yeah.
They knew the person who's coming here is not a play around guy.
And I know equipment were there like moments where you would teach them how to make mbira from scratch, how to play it?
Well, what I did was the workshops were all about, I was teaching mbira, marimba, wosho. Those were two types of mbira, that is nyunga and mbira zawadzimu, and then wosho and marimba. I was teaching them exploration of those instruments in another way that has never been presented there by the Zimfest. And that was the most thing. And then on the opening, I did the opening of the festival, you know, because they noticed my voice when we were doing the meeting for the presenters, that this voice needs to be like the opening act of the whole thing, and then I had to sing the song
beautiful.
of the late San Mariah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
then go ahead.
It really shows that kushika ikoko you've already made a mark, which is something that's beautiful. Not and then your presence is not felt. So your presence, I'm sure, is being felt right now.
It is, and everybody's like talking about me. We made new connections and new collaborations, and a lot is in store for the Nswai Arts guys there, and those who are looking forward to be learning more from Nswai. We have created links and networks that we're going to be presenting on our new offices at Dangamvura Baito there. That's where we now at now.
Beautiful. Speaking of my connections, I'm sure you've made my connection. You never really thought, but are there any collaborations, maybe, or opportunities? Angango Buddha is my big projects pambera.
Zviri murongwa saka manje zviri ndikutaurire boss hey.
No, I understand. That's fine. And I also want to just bring you to the attention you being on a bigger stage that you are at Zimfest. How do you think it's going to impact because we are seeing that these are Zimbabweans who have gone there supporting this stage. How do you think it's going to influence art here in Zimbabwe?
One thing that happened at the Zimfest, and what I've noticed, these guys, they insulted my intelligence in a positive way.
Okay.
The way they're embracing our music, our Zimbabwean traditional music, arts and culture.
Yeah.
It's amazing what they're doing here. And to think of it, when you get home or when you look at home and you see how we do not embrace it, I think there's a lot of work that we need to do at home.
I do agree, because kana tichitaura nenyaya yeculture onaka zvawata zvokuti kuno kuZimbabwe mwatisi kunatsoiimpresa toita kunge takuionera makuiexhibita kunze, but isusu vacho maybe hatisi kurarama the way we are supposed to. And I'm proud that you also had to teach vamwe or to tell them about the nyunga and also the mira dzevadzimu which is something that carries our culture. So which means culture yedu ikoko is actually being embraced nevamwe ikoko, kana kuti maZimbabweans are they also fully embracing our culture zvekudaro kana kuti ndezvepamazimfest chete izvi?
The Zimfest, these are white people who are in Zimbabwe and who has learned from Zimbabwean gurus. Okay. And they've realized how important this music and arts is important. And they've managed to say, look here, guys, we need to do something about this music. Otherwise, it will die away and slip away. We need to do it here and make an impact here so that we preserve it. Because we can't preserve it. And then also the Zimbabweans here, like you asked me earlier on, Kuti, are they? I didn't see much of Zimbabwean people there. There were a couple, a handful.
Which is sad.
And then Tendem Parutsa, Zivanai, who else was there? Tsungi. Well, these are artists. Saga, and Bezo Makombe. Those are arts. But as in audience, zero.
All right. Zero.
Right, a big one. We need really put to the awareness.
Because I've been seeing, we were just checking out the other Zimfest in the UKs, and it seemed like Amapiano was big. And now you guys, you have this festival. And for you to say there was a small Zimbabwean community,
we need to have an awareness program of knowing and understanding how important our arts and culture is important in our day-to-day living. Because some people, what they see in us is when it comes to this music, I'm telling you, it's amazing.
Yeah. And I'm so excited for you, my guy. You got to do the most. You keep doing what you're doing and keep representing Manicaland. Just a word of advice to somebody right here. Kumtare kunoku kumba, you know, ane atake ano ita but avasku nato embrace child to the maximum. Especially my aspiring mbira artist. Kuna wangu no gona so nongoti I need to know ridzira vana vangu ndega kumba ukoko. What would you want to say to them?
You need to believe in yourself. That's the starting point. When you believe in yourself and don't wait or look upon anyone, it's not going to happen. You have to make an impact. Become a person of value. Perfect your art. Those who have an eye and an ear to hear or see what you're doing, they'll see you without even any hassle. You know, wanting to be known. I want to know and don't need. In my journey, that didn't apply. I just had to do my thing. You're not seeing this guy. Something is happening here, but so vapana warusumuka vese or one industry, but this applies to everyone. Our music industry. Kuti fame, don't look for fame and don't look for money. Music, you will not get it. What you need to do is to drive your passion first, and then that passion will bring people who give you money. So these guys, what they need to do is just to perfect their art in their own spaces. But some of us, it has taken us close to 2 decades,
right,
to be where we are.
Okay.
So you don't wake up and become that big or to be on that global stage. No, there is work that follows you all the days of your life. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what happens. The patience of time.
We are in the Diaspora Connect, and of course, we are speaking to Lino Piloto, tuned in all the way from Washington, D.C. He is from Twai, and he is from right here. You representing us, and we just want to appreciate Lino, and we encourage until keep raising the flag high. Make sure appreciate Zimbabwean culture and even our music. So we just keep looking forward to more things and brighter things that are going to come for you.
Yeah, definitely. And for your information, I've now moved from Washington. I'm now in the state of Montana. I can't just dump them like that.
I didn't know.
No,
I've got to appreciate it. Thank you so much, Lino, for just waking up and being with us right here. But you took your time to be with us right here on the Diaspora Connect. And once more, we tell you congratulations, and we are proud of you.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for having me on this lovely Diamond FM, and I would like to thank the Nswai guys. They've been there for me, my family. They've been there for me, my friends, my colleagues. They've been there for me. I won't name them by name because but above all, ndotenda Mwari nevadzimu vaita kuti ndisvike pandiri panapa nhasi.
I know that's fine. So we'll link up with you when you get to come back. So you have a beautiful morning because it's already morning, eh?
It is. 10 minutes to 2 much.
I also link up. All right. Cheers then.
No, thank you very much. Have a beautiful day, and thank you to the audience that have been listening to this wonderful show. And more works
FM.
All right, cheers then. All right, so we are still
Diaspora Connect, your link from the Eastern Highlands to the rest of the world.
It is still on the joint. So I gotta appreciate my guy Lino Piloto. A guy is doing the most, and we are proud of him. I saw so much love coming through for Lino. And well done, keep representing us. And he says, well done. I keep flying the flag high. Where do you come, Tare? Great things do come from the east, I always tell you.